Well, good morning. It's Wednesday, early morning. This is Senior Prestige Motorsports. Thought this was a pretty cool shot. This is shipping. As you can see, there's quite a few engines done, ready to ship. So we'll kind of run you through, kind of show you some things that are going on today at Prestige. Alrighty, these are ones that are done, ready for the dyno line.
Essential needs to the world's most vulnerable children and
Quite a few of them, as you can see. Quite a few variety too. Here's some more. Unfortunately, we kind of got them scattered everywhere. We're a little bit out of room here, so. So I think I took a count. There was 30 in shipping and 20 getting ready for the dyno. These are all blocks that are done, ready to go, honed up, ready to be final clean, go into assembly. So really just trying to point out here, our purchasing department has done a great job this year of gathering up parts and pieces on a daily basis. As you all well know, we're direct with about every manufacturer is, but that's not saying that we can get the parts directly from them. Everybody else has got them too, so we try to purchase no matter what every day and search for those parts. Here's a load of transmissions that just came in yesterday. Obviously, as you all know, we do a lot of turnkey stuff. Here, Corey is loading up an LSX in the CNC. I think this one is getting bored and flame hooped. Here's the cylinder heads. He got those done. We're out here at the cylinder hone. These are all blocks that have got deck, board, line hones ready to go into the cylinder hone today. And as you can see, a lot of variety. The Man of War 302 block, Chevrolet 350 block, LSX block, Man of War 351s, OEM 351s, 302s. A lot of variety. So that gives you a glimpse of what's going on today at Prestige Motorsports. Keep in mind, these are all custom made, tailored to your specifications. So you need anything, give us a call. Have a great day. This is Senior Prestige Motorsports signing off.